Hi, my name is Aaron Marcus, and I had the absolute pleasure and honor of interviewing Tony Chiroldes, who is an incredibly talented, humble, and just nice person. He's done so many different things in his career, everything from being in the original Broadway cast of In the Heights. He's done hundreds of Spanish and English radio spots, audiobooks. He worked on Ricky Martin's book. He did Grand Theft Auto. He had a reoccurring role on Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. But one of the things that we spent a good amount of time talking about, we also did spend time talking about how to get booked on Broadway, what was it like, but he also does live translations from English to Spanish for the HBO show, Brian Gumblel's Real Sports. And it was fascinating. And you're going to learn how to use your language skills for translation work, what kind of skills are actually needed along with being bilingual. What other areas can you actually get work at if you are bilingual? Can you get work outside of New York and LA? By the way, the answer is yes. And it's just an incredible interview. If you are bilingual and you have any interest in trying to use your skills, you've got to watch this video. Use the link below. You can copy it and paste it into your browser. And I know this is going to be incredibly helpful to you. I'm Aaron Marcus. Don't forget, use the link below or click the link below and watch this video. See ya.